Welcome adventurers to a new episode in our mini-series, Where's That Country? This week, we're in the United Kingdom. Now Beans, if you like castles, coastlines, kings and queens, rainy walks, giant mountains, old legends, busy cities, and maybe the odd plate of fish and chips, I think you're going to enjoy this one. Yes Beans, snacks are included, even if it is haggis. Did you know the United Kingdom is actually made up of 4 smaller countries? England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. England is the largest by population and is home to London, the capital of the UK. It has rolling countryside, famous universities, seaside towns, football stadiums, royal history and landmarks like Stonehenge, the Tower of London and the White Cliffs of Dover. Then there's Scotland in the north, known for its mountains, lochs, islands, castles, bagpipes, tartan and wild landscapes. It has its own capital city, Edinburgh, and some of the most dramatic scenery in Europe, from the Highlands to the Isle of Skye. Wales, to the west of England, has its own language, Welsh, and is famous for castles, mountains, valleys, rugby, singing and legends about dragons. Its capital city is Cardiff, and its flag even has a huge red dragon on it. Yes Beans, you don't get many flags as good as that. Last but not least is Northern Ireland, part of the island of Ireland, if that's not too confusing. Its capital city is Belfast, and it's known for its green countryside, coastal roads, shipbuilding industry, music, stories and the amazing Giant's Causeway. So the UK is a bit like a team, 4 countries each with their own identity, history, traditions and landscapes, all joined together as the United Kingdom. So where is the United Kingdom? The United Kingdom is located in the Northern Hemisphere in northwestern Europe. It sits off the northwestern coast of mainland Europe and is made up of 2 main islands. The largest island is Great Britain, which includes England, Scotland and Wales. Northern Ireland is on the island of Ireland. Now this can be a little confusing, Beans. Yes, even for grown-ups. Great Britain and the United Kingdom are not exactly the same thing. You see, Great Britain means England, Scotland and Wales. And the United Kingdom means England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. The full name is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Now, the UK has one land border, and that's between Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland. And both land masses are surrounded by water, including the Atlantic Ocean, the North Sea, the English Channel and the Irish Sea. The UK has a population of around 69.5 million people, and the main language is English. But it's not the only language you might hear. Welsh is spoken in Wales, Scottish Gaelic is spoken by some people in Scotland, and Irish is spoken by some people in Northern Ireland. The capital city of the UK is London, and when you're there you'll be spending the pound sterling. Now, let's take a look at the UK flag. The flag of the United Kingdom is called the Union flag, although many people just call it the Union Jack. It combines the crosses of 3 patron saints, St George for England, St Andrew for Scotland, and St Patrick for Ireland. These crosses come together to make the red, white and blue flag we see today. But remember Beans, something important. The UK flag is not the only flag you'll see around the United Kingdom. England has its own, and that's a white flag with a red cross. Scotland has a blue flag with a white diagonal cross. And Wales has a red dragon on a carpet of green. And then there's the flag of Northern Ireland, with a red cross in the centre on a white background, with the red hand of Ulster in the centre and a 6-pointed star representing the 6 counties that make up the country, plus a crown on top to represent the United Kingdom's monarchy. From London's landmarks to Scotland's Highlands, from Welsh castles to Northern Ireland's Causeway, the United Kingdom is a place where history, geography and cultures are all squeezed into one very interesting corner of Europe. Well, that wraps up our latest episode of Where's That Country? It was great to learn where United Kingdom is on the map. Have a look on a globe to see if you can point it out for yourself. And make sure to check out the rest of our videos on YouTube and listen to our podcast on Spotify for all our latest world adventures. You can also join the World Adventurer Club over on Patreon, where you can get early access to content and free activity packs. We'll see you next time for another edition of Where's That Country? Psst, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.